NeuroSphere 2026. Code Assistant. I downloaded the application and the neural routing control work very well. I tested the neural agent. The target domain was computer vision and I typed, connect camera and enable video observation, into task type and click synthesize style matched code. I wasn't sure what to expect, but I was thinking that the eye would see the live video feed from the camera that is connected and it would be able to identify objects. So my question is simply to save myself some time. What would happen if I were to make the task type prompt more detailed, with exact terms to request that the live video camera feed be activated so the model can perform the item identification task? Would it work? Would a prompt that correctly instructs the model work, if I could figure it out, or would it not work because it doesn't have access to the camera device or some different reason that would just prevent it from deploying? What did happen was that the neural agent generated this fantastic script and I saved it to the script vault. That is when I had the idea for a new feature that would actually deploy the script to the system and run it.
To answer your question first, yes, it would work, provided the environment running your main PY backend has the necessary drivers, OpenCV, and a connected camera. Since you are running NeuroSphere locally, the backend, main.py, initiates a native Python subprocess. When that subprocess calls CV2, video capture 0, it bypasses browser sandboxing and talks directly to your hardware. The script you generated is actually quite advanced. It includes the logic to capture frames, process them through a ResNet model, and even open a native window on your desktop. To make this seamless, I will implement the flash deployment feature you envisioned. This allows you to take any script from your script vault and immediately inject it into the local execution engine with a single click. Specification of updates. Flash deploy integration, script vault. Behavior, added a flash deploy button to every script card in the vault. Logic. When clicked, it captures the script's code, category, and task type, and sends it directly to the Create Training Job API, bypassing the manual form. UX. The app will automatically switch the user's view to the command center or process logs so they can immediately see the output of the deployed script. Deployment telemetry, app core. Behavior. Added a deploy script handler in app. TSX. Visuals. A deployment initialized notification and a high priority status badge in the experiment list. Metadata permissions. Updated metadata. JSON to include camera and microphone permissions. While the Python backend handles the hardware, this ensures the browser environment is prepared for future hybrid observation tasks. Metadata.json. Components/script vault. TSX.
This is like the second or third try for this. So if this opens up a live camera feed, I'm going to be really happy. We'll find out in a minute, though. We'll see. It looks like it might work, though. Like the model said, Gemini said that it will work. It would have worked before if I would have just been patient. Oh man, I really fired that up. That generated the same thing almost. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to store this over to our vault. Now that should have landed over here in the vault. Let's go check out Descript vault. There it is. Big flash deploy arrows right there. Wheel. I mean, it looks like it's cooking. Let's just give it some time. Well, just try to catch any errors. It's taking its time. Whatever it's doing, it's trying to do something. I don't see the camera feed at all, nowhere. Super disappointed with that. Cracked out, motherfucker. Damn it. Damn it. I don't see a single error on the back end. Like, look at that, it's perfect. That one's perfect too. So what the hell's going on? Olama looks like it's running, it's got stuff going. This is also running. I don't know, I don't fucking get it. So I'm afraid that this being running on Linux through WSL is going to prevent it from opening up native windows, unless I tell it exactly how to do that.